What's up, dude? Welcome back to Why Not Ride. Aluminum versus steel sprockets. Does aluminum wear out as fast as they say they do? Well, on today's episode of Why Not Ride, we're going to find out. One of the fastest ways to mod your bike, and it's very common, is the old Vortex chain and sprocket kit. But whenever you go to buy it, there are two options. There's the steel option and the aluminum option. And sometimes people will come into my comments and they'll be like, oh my God, you're not a racer. You don't need to shed that much weight off your bike. Why are you buying aluminum? And here's the kicker, it wears out so fast. Well, today we're gonna debunk that theory. This bike has done a couple thousand wheelies, 6,000 miles on this aluminum sprocket from Vortex, and everyone says that it wears out. I've even seen pictures and videos of the worn out sprockets. Well, the theory is debunked. Does aluminum wear faster than steel? Yes, but did mine wear at all in 6,000 miles? My aluminum sprocket did not wear out at all. It looks brand new. But here's the thing. People said the aluminum wears out faster, which it does, but that's not caused by your bike. I mean, yeah, a little bit, but in 6,000 miles for a predominantly street rider, which most of us are, your aluminum sprocket's not gonna wear out like that. And if it does, that's your fault. That's improper chain tension. That's not being aligned. So when the chain's coming down and hitting the teeth, it's wearing it down. But as you can see here, 6,000 miles, and I did not baby this bike. 6,000 miles on an aluminum sprocket, and it looks brand spanking new. I'm changing the gearing because I'm going Dakota. I want a little bit more top end for that straightaway. So again, a chain and sprocket kit, especially from Vortex, they give you the option to give your bike just a little bit more kick, a little bit better acceleration, and it's a great way to make your bike faster. So if you're caught in between the steel and the aluminum option is going to give you better colors to choose from. That's why I went with aluminum. But again, that theory is debunked. Does aluminum wear out faster? Yeah. Does it matter if you actually take care of your bike? No. No, it does not.